Do you want to know how you can log into your Freedom Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Freedom Mortgage account. Go ahead and open google.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then search for Freedom Mortgage. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will lead you to a login portal which looks like this. Now, what you need to do is write down your email address, write down your password and click the login button. This way you can successfully log into your Freedom Mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your email address or password, these are the two links you want to go through to retrieve back your email address or to recover your password. If you still don't have a Freedom Mortgage account, click on this link which says create my account and then you can create yourself a Freedom Mortgage account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Freedom Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.